Hello folks, got a new project that I'm thinking about doing here. This is a armoire project. Here is the lumber, be 5 feet plus have casters on the bottom. Here we got our stain, got our glue, wood glue. We got our 2x2 supports. We have our stylish wood here. This is the trim. We have the lip, which is going to have the strip lights behind. And we have a bag full of hardware, which is going to go on. We got the lights. This is what the lights look like, and we could change them any kind of colors we want. Yep, this is for, there we go. Gotta put it in RF stage, right? Yeah, it's in RF. Oh, there we go. Got a remote, and you can change it to different colors, whichever color you like. Let's shut it off right now. But anyway, let's turn it off. This is what they are. These are the lights here. I picked these up at Target for like about 18 bucks. Here we have the hardware for the doors, the hinges. We have the glue, more wood glue, and we have casters. Yes, we have casters. And here are the decorative displays, which is going to go to the top and bottom. And yeah, we have more hardware here. So pretty much this is what it looks like. More casters in the bag there. And then we have some other hardware for the doors and so forth. So I'm going to probably put this together sometime in the not too far distant future. Just trying to get everything organized. It takes a little time to figure out certain things here. So that's pretty much what we're going to be doing. Yeah, drop that. And once you see it, once you see the finished product, you're gonna like it. Alrighty. Now, what we're doing here, this is gonna come down, and it's gonna be 4 feet or 5 feet, and then we're gonna keep this here. I'm going to shorten this down to 5 foot, and the drawer things here, We're going to make these out of end tables in the living room. This hutch, it's not going to be destroyed or anything. It's just going to be put into the living room. But it's kind of high for one. Okay, we want to at least put it down to about here, the tabletop. And it's going to have slides. It's going to have nice ball bearing slides, and you can push it in. It's going to be about the same dimension of the hutch here. So pretty much it's going to be, we're going to take down the station here, dismantle the equipment for a couple of weeks maybe, and we're going to reassemble everything. And this time around we have wheels on it. This big monster here, boy, I tell you, we built this like almost like 13, 14 years ago. And we didn't take in consideration that we're going to have to move this thing, like get behind it and clean and stuff like that. And there's no wheels on here. So that's the problem. So as you see these decoratives here, this is pretty much, it's going to be one on each side running down. And the doors is going to be accordion. It's going to be accordion doors. Two on the left, and two over on the right. So down at the bottom, it's going to be doors down there. That's where all the electrical is going to go, power supply, and all that other good stuff. So that's where it's going to be set up. And anyway, everything is all piled up right there. And here's the master plan. Here's the plans to put it together, what it's going to look like, and so far. As I spoke about the doors, this is going to slide out, slide in. In other words, this is going to be the armoire, and this desk part, this tabletop, will slide in, giving more space in the room. And then when we want to use it, we just pull this out. And yeah, pretty much that's it there. This is something else, some other plans we did. How something else is gonna come together. Here's the armoire right here. Okay. So basically, get some ideas. We put it on paper. This is going to be the undercarriage for this desk, for this tabletop, for the future. As you see, we want to add wheels or casters. Put the casters on there as the supports to hold it, the left and right side together. Under storage for electrical, and so far 12-volt electrical DC for the equipment, because the equipment runs on DC. The only thing that's running AC is this big monster here, this 2000, and the DMU, the computer. in the power supplies that's powering this stuff over here. So that's what we're doing here. Anyway, the next time we'll probably come back to you. This will be out of commission and the new one will be up. So I'm going to say 73s for now, and we'll talk to you later. Hey, my dummy head. 73s. Take care.